Hello, my name is Juthama Chanpuchong, and today I'm going to interviewing you about yourself and your country. And can I ask a few questions?
Yeah, you can. Yes, yes.
It will take about 10 to 15 minutes, and may I record a short video of this interview?
Yes, it's all right.
Okay. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, I am Ched and I am from the Philippines.
You're from Philippines, right? And what is your national food in your country in Philippines?
Oh, we have quite a lot, but the most famous food or the national food that we consider here in the Philippines, it would be the lechon or the roasted pig.
Wow, that's interesting. And what is your traditional dress?
It could, we do not, I guess we don't have any traditional drink, but specifically here in our local area, we do have this lambanog. It's like a vinegar wine.
Oh,
Yeah.
and what is your traditional dress like clothing?
Okay. We have an interesting national clothing here in the Philippines. So we do have the Barong Tagalog and we also have the Filipiniana. So the Barong Tagalog is for the boys and the Filipiniana, it's for the girls.
Yeah. Do you have wear it? Have you ever worn it?
Yes, we wear it every Monday in our work because it is prescribed here in our government.
Wow. It's like our batik that we have to wear in school.
Yeah, yeah, it's like our uniform.
Yes. And what is your famous movie right now in your country?
All right, famous movie. Um, right now I cannot recall what movies the Filipinos are basically watching, but I have this favorite movie wherein we used to watch it when we were kids. It is the name of the movie is Darna. So it is like a superhero, a girl superhero.
Yes. And what about a famous song from your country?
Famous song in our country. There are quite a lot, especially the Tagalog songs, but I can recall when we visited Suratani.
Yes.
One of the restaurant there played a Filipino song. Ako'y sayo, ikaw ay akin.
Ah,
We hear that in
I have heard of it because it's very famous on TikTok, right?
yes, yes.
It's such a beautiful song, by the way. I love it.
It's a love song.
Yeah. And I have some activities for you today, which is cooking a Thai style omelette with what kind of sausage? Chicken sausage, right? That thing that you have.
Yes, I have here chicken meat.
Chicken meat, all right? So, the ingredients will be 2 or 3 eggs and
Mm-hmm.
chopped chickens, fish sauce, and cooking oil.
Yeah. I'll just get the cooking oil because I forgot to bring. Yeah. So
Have you
my
ever tried
ingredient,
Thai omelette?
I tried cooking omelette, but not in a Thai style. So
Not in Thai
basically, in the
style.
Philippines, yes, if in the we are cooking omelette, it's just only the egg.
Wow. Then today you have tried it.
Yeah.
uh, Please show me the ingredients, please.
So I have here 2 eggs, this
Yeah,
one, and I also have here a sauce.
fish sauce,
So we
right?
call it, yes, in the Philippines we call it patit.
Petit.
Yes, and we have two kinds of MSG that is famous here in the Philippines. So we have here this one, the Ajinomoto. This one is an MSG, and we
Yeah,
also product the Philippines as well. This is called Magic Sarap.
magic syrup.
And my oil is right here, cooking oil.
Yeah, it's
And here is my chicken. I'll just put a little bit of chicken meat.
yeah. Do you shop it? Okay, that's very well. So first thing first that you have to do is crack the eggs into a bowl.
I will crack now the egg. The 2 eggs, right?
Yes. Or you want more, you can add more.
Yeah. I have here my bowl. I'm
Okay,
basically
that's
showing it.
fine too.
I do not have a stand wherein I can put my phone.
But you have to stir it after that.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just cracking the egg right now, and
Yes.
right after I'll mix it.
You can add the fish sauce and the ingredient right now.
Okay.
And then you can stir it.
So I will add all the ingredients.
Yes.
All right. So I have here. I'm adding uh, a little bit of fish sauce, a little
Yes.
bit of this one, the magic syrup,
Magic syrup.
and the meat. I will be adding now the meat.
Yes.
I will just flip my cam so that you can see that I'm into this one.
Yes. And then you stir it very well until everything was mixed well.
Yeah. And right after this one,
Uh do you want to add the Ajinomoto?
yes, I already added the magic syrup, and right now I will be adding the Ajinomoto.
Yes.
A little bit of this one only. All right.
Yeah. And then mix this together. All right. And you can heat the pans right now.
Okay. I will just flip again my camera.
Yes.
So basically, I will wait for the oil to enough for the oil to be hot. Then I will put the omelette, right?
Yes, yes.
In my pan, I just add a little bit of oil right here.
You can add a little bit more so the eggs will be very crispy.
Oh. So I'll be adding a little bit of the oil.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good job.
After, so here in the Philippines, we call our pan kaha.
Haha.
Yeah, it's called kaha. It's a Bisaya word.
Wow. I think Philippines how can you say language in Philippines is kind of difficult for me.
Yeah, there are a lot of languages that we use here because in every region, in every locality, we have different languages.
Yeah.
Not only so
Yeah.
right now the pan and the oil is hot and it's now can I put my mixed omelette, right?
Yes. You can put
Uh,
it, pour it, and then you will wait about 1 minute until the other side with the pan is set, and then you can flip it
mm-mm.
over.
So here is what my omelette looks like right now,
Yes,
and I will
it look good.
right. So I will just wait until I can flip it, right?
Yes. Do you like it very crispy or not?
Yes, I like it more crispy.
Yeah, you can wait more.
So right now I will be flipping now the omelette so that it will look like a golden brown, right?
Yeah,
All right.
you have to flip it.
So
Yeah, let me see. Yes, like that.
so after this
Kind of
one,
look tasty, by the way.
it really smells good.
Yeah, I'm hungry right now.
Do you also like the omelette?
Yes, I like it, and it's kind of cheap here, so I can eat it every day.
Here and now it's ready. All right.
Yes, and you can serve it with rice.
I will be sharing it with my cousins because they are here in our house.
Yeah, and tell them it's straight from Thailand. It's look good.
My food is now ready and it's now for tasting.
Yeah,
It's good.
is it good?
Yeah. Thank you for teaching me.
No problems. And thank you so
Good.
much for today.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
ขอบคุณค่ะ You just saved my life here.
Yeah. You're
And
welcome.
can I ask you something?
Yeah. Sure.
Do you have other friends that can help my friend do this project too? Because my friend kind of find someone to do this project with her, and she can't find anyone.
Hmm. I will message you once I find another person to do the recording. Just the same, right? Interview
Yeah,
and cook the omelette.
yeah.
Okay. Tomorrow I will message you if I can find someone who can cook it for your friend.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're
And now you can
welcome.
enjoy your omelet.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.